do a little countdown here. All right. Hey everybody, I'm here with my crypto trader friend Marcello. He's a former hedge fund trader up in Italy. Very serious trader, investor. He's been in the field for a very long time, and he's Italian, so you know what that means. Be careful of him.
That make a big difference.
He knows what he's. Yeah, but before I start, guys, we're here to make money, and in order to make money, you have to manifest money, right? So we're gonna wake up to a money miracle. So we do a little meditation here about how to wake up to a money miracle.
If you want to manifest a money miracle overnight, then you have come to the right place. Because in today's energy healing session, my intentions is to align your solar plexus energy center, which is located in the core of your belly. When this energy center is aligned, it will help you to attract an abundance of wealth effortlessly. If you're new to this channel, my name is Michael, and I practice Universal Life Force Energy Healing, also known as Reiki. Now, if you accept this energy healing today to align the stars for you so you can attract a money miracle tonight, then all you need to do is simply nod or say, I accept.
I accept.
Let's begin.
Okay, looks like he froze up. So let's just get into the charts. But guys, you have to manifest money miracles. You want to get rich. It's the only way. Anyway, let's take a look at the cryptocurrency heat map
Nice
here.
video, bro. I love it. It really touched me.
All right, sorry, I think my internet cut off there. So just reload this.
I was very impressed by your video, Boris. It was really touching. You really
Yeah.
Good job, yeah. How are we today?
So far, oh man, not good. Everything's bleeding. You know how crypto is. It's always mostly in the red, sometimes in the green, but most of the times it's bleeding.
Did you take any trade today?
Oh yeah, I took a bunch of trades. I took a trade on WorldCoin. I even took a trade on Litecoin yesterday, which is one of
How
your
did it go?
favorites. You know, got liquidated. No, I'm joking. It's still doing well. Let's take a look at Litecoin. And then, yeah, guys, I see there's like 14 of you here. So if there's any like chart requests, just let me know.
I was actually trading myself Phantom and Link, Chainlink.
Phantom. Oh wow. On which exchange?
Blowfin.
Lowfin.
Yes,
Come on, man. You should be trading on CoinW.
I know, but you know,
Why are you changing on? Why are you?
you need to hire me back in order to do that. Then I will, bring all my expertise to CoinW back.
Yeah, actually, Marcel is quite a genius. He knows how to use high leverage and use high leverage to his advantage. So yeah, let me take a look at the Litecoin trade we took yesterday. Yeah, basically it's pretty simple. It's just it's kind of like forming a pattern and went above this 21 exponential moving average. So I just went long. So I'm looking at initial TP of like 120. It's 113 right now, so I'm slight drawdown. But I think Litecoin is a good project. It's been around since 2017. I think we can take it up to at least like 120, 125, maybe even up to 135. Yeah, I like Litecoin. Ondo, we got some requests already. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Ondo. Are you in, Marcel? Are you invested in any like cryptocurrencies right now? Or are you just trading
No,
them?
yeah, I just did. I just trade. You know me.
Hmm.
I want to keep a liquid, and in case
Yeah,
something can come
yeah,
up.
I got you. Yeah, JSD asked about Ondo. For me, it's just like trading below the 21 exponential moving average. The oscillators are starting to turn below. So I think Ondo has peaked for now. If it breaks below like 1.33, I would like go short on it. But what are your thoughts, Marcello, on this chart? Ondo. It's like a very popular crypto. Let me remove this. Just look at the pattern here. What do you
Let
think?
me see. I'll switch to mine. Okay, no. So let me see. I'm not sharing, right?
Oh, you want to share something?
I'm going to just give me a second.
Yeah, once you do, I'll put it on the screen.
There we go.
Let me add it to the stage. All right, go ahead.
You know what I always do? I always start. That's it's for everybody. Just to know, like, if this is like the first time, let's say, that I see a chart, what I will do is like always starting from the biggest time frame, which
Yeah.
is for me, I will definitely consider the monthly, but it doesn't gives me so much, but still, it's potential like a upside movement and trend. Then I go back to weekly, and on the weekly, since I use the Bollinger Bands, but I still true believe in supports and resistance, I can
Yeah.
tell that this trend, if doesn't go down this week, if doesn't go down the lowest of the previous candle, which should
Mhm.
be 1.37, we can see and continue movement going up, and then the daily will show us better that. So this is so for whoever think that there's long term is going to be a prosecution of and continuum of the long momentum, you might even want to wait around like 145.7. Probably that could be like a good entry for a long and keep it.
Mhm.
I'm talking about like long term. So if you want to see a still like on a Elliott waves perspective, we see like I will
For
consider.
those who don't know, like even I don't know, even though I've been trading like a long time, what are Elliott waves? Can you explain?
So the Elliott waves is of course is a theory,
Yeah.
says that usually averagely a long movement has a total of 5 waves.
Mhm.
So talking about like a long, and that
Yeah.
is like important to understand the trend. So a trend can be, let's say, let's think that this is like really the beginning, which it is. So it's a first wave, which is, it could be up or down. Let's say it's up. So this is the first one, the first wave up, which actually could be divided by 2 because the actual wave has to have always increasing minimum and maximum, and in this case we had like our first downtrend.
Mhm.
So I would say that I don't know why it's not working. Okay, it doesn't let me do. So let's try to do this clone. No. So it's not working properly, the trading view now. I don't understand why. I'm trying to draw like anyway. So let's say that this is the first wave. This is the
Mhm.
second wave because it goes down. So it's called correction. It's called it's usually like a downtrend shorter than the uptrend in this case, where you will see the first wave. So it's go up and down. From here it restart again. So it goes on the
Mhm.
second one, and still new minimum and maximum going up, and then you will see still like a downtrend. In this case, it wasn't like a pretty legit downtrend. It's a lateral, which still like the token didn't go up. Instead, like I said, he had the minimum and the maximum slightly going down. So this is the first, this is the second, third, fourth, and then there is the fifth, okay, which is the kind of end of the wave. So it's when usually the trend is exhausted itself. It's like tired, at the end of the race. It's like, okay, I'm too tired now. That will take a downtrend, which is it actually happened. And you will see a way longer period of downtrend, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see all the minimum. So let's say that it's the trend is always like let's call it 1, where we're including like a long downtrend and then the correction. So minimum going down. So 1, 2, again, minimum going down. 3, 4, again, minimum going down. 5. And here you will start again seeing a lateral phase. So even the downtrend say, okay, I'm tired of going down. What we do? So it lateral, it go lateral, and then it start a new trend. So it goes up, and it goes like all the way here. This could be like the first wave because it's a continuous. So I would say 1, then 2, then this is like lateralizing a little bit. So this is kind of funny to understand now because it could be seen as as another thing as well. Because if you see the inclination of all this instead, you see the minimum here went up with this inclination, and then from here to the new ones, it went a little bit, with a lower degree. And then again, from here to here, the degree, it's even more tendency to like be flat, which means that, like I said, the whole movement is exhausting, even because, like I said, you can see by the force of the downtrend that, it doesn't want to go up so much anymore. So like I said, this point actually might be crucial because we might see, I don't know why it doesn't like work this, but I've been trying to copy this, no. Anyway, so let's say that it's kind of exhausted now. So this point can be really crucial for either downtrend or a new, wave that, continue this little one, which, like I said, it's a 1 and 2. But for what I'm seeing, it seems like it's getting tired. So I would say that I don't know if actually buying at the level I was suggesting could be something. I will wait, even because this can be, so this part here, let me try to see if I can do it in this way. So let's say that behind this point and this point, so between 129 and 9 and 162, we might see some some lateralized movements, and then from there we might either see like a more consistent trend going one way or another. So I will wait, and maybe like even don't try to catch the best movement, the best price, but at least you're kind of more secure and which way and how to enter, when to enter.
Yeah, I agree on my end, just on my technical analysis, that this is not a good point to buy. Well, let's see what else we got here.
Even because
A1.
It's like a curve. No, it's a curve
AI.
that is.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was
Well,
saying it's like a curve, right? It's like doing a curve. Like it's like going from here. So it seems like it might be like a double, maybe like a double up, about a double top, or maybe it's gonna do like a head or shoulder, because this is a shoulder, this is the head. Maybe it goes and touch the other shoulder and then you go down. That could be something. So I might expect more. But like I said, it depends. Like from a trading perspective, if I see that this is the daily, but let's say that then we go down to the hourly.
Yeah.
Because I might expect that actually on the micro time frame, we'll see, some other movements. I don't know what the hell is going on. Maybe even my internet is not going well. I don't know why it's not doing this. Let me switch to this. Anyway, Bluefin is pretty similar to CoinW. It's maybe very, very similar.
Yeah.
So what we were saying, what we were seeing now, like, on the hourly, this is the daily. Let's say hourly, maybe, like I said, is gonna go touch the and make the other. Oh yeah, I'm not sharing anymore. Sorry.
All right. Maybe I'll share my screen. Someone was asking about A16, AI16C.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Let me put on my exponential moving averages. Yeah, man. A16, AI16C looks very good. I mean, if we can get above like 2.4, 2.5 on the daily, we're probably going to go to new all-time highs. Yeah, it looks very good. It's been holding the 21 exponential moving average like since forever. So as long as it can get above or keep above 1.51, then I think this one is a very good hold. Yeah, I think this chart looks great. I don't know, what do you think? I know we have like different styles, but just looking with your naked eye, what do you think, Marcello?
Let me put it on my side. AI16. Wow. Well, even on this one, yeah, like I see the weekly, it exploded, and then on the daily,
it's kind of a new coin, so there's not much history, but
well, it seemed like, yeah, it's,
I think the best is like
it might want to, yeah, there is like a big divergence. Let me show this.
Bearish divergence.
Yeah, like on the daily, so who knows when is gonna like take place with the RSI. It's a very big and legit. But as we said, like,
yeah, I'd say
it's new.
If you're not already in this, then I wouldn't enter this. But if you're like holding this, then
yeah, you might worth it to like try
it until if
like,
it goes below like 1.8. Yeah,
it's doing like the curve again. So you see the inclination of the new maximum, the top. It's like, it's getting tired. It's exhausting. You see.
Yeah, I agree.
So
This indicator that I have right here, this is like the red what it's called, red line. So it's like redlining. So it's like the engine's about to explode or like give out. So
yeah, on the daily as well, like yeah, on the daily it might, I would expect probably, yeah, like you said, but even for like a short one, let's say that on the hour it might go up to 3. I think I see the
up to
3
3.
coming, but then after that I will see like a pretty consistent,
Oh wait,
like,
hold on, let me just.
I will say that if you go
Okay.
on the daily from here, you might want to go up to at least 3, maybe 3.5. So
Mhm.
it might go to another top. So it depends on, yeah, like you said, on your
Yeah, like
style,
a
on your
double.
time, like the
Might do
hourly.
like a double top kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean, like, look at that. Like, if this trend line will be breached, probably we will see like some new highs. So for like maybe within like tomorrow or in a few more days, we might see touching that. But then as soon as you see that, you might want to, yeah, sell it like a 3 and then wait and maybe switch to another coin. Yeah, you ran pretty
Okay.
much like 1, 2, 3.
Let's move on to
You
the
see
next
it?
request. We got yeah. Someone is asking about degen, which is I don't even
Spell it.
like the name. Degen. It's like degenerate. So
The gen. And guys, this is always,
yeah, I don't like
like,
this chart, to be honest.
I just wanted to say, like, this is just like, me and Boris talking, we are not recommending anything. We're just saying
Yeah,
from
we're
our
not
reading
financial
experience
advisors.
perspective what we will have done, what we might do, but we are not recommending or suggesting anything. Yeah, this one, actually I might open a short in here. Look at that. This is pretty like
Yeah,
clear
on the
downtrend.
hourly
Yeah, on the
or
hour.
4 hour.
4 hours. So yeah,
Mm.
this is pretty cute actually. I might want to follow
Yeah, on
that.
the daily, like, let me show you on the daily.
But then daily is even more clear. Wow.
Yeah, it looks very weak. I don't like it. Like I don't. Sorry, JC, I don't like degen.
I guess even the other people do not.
Anyway, I will be going for 30 minutes, Marcello.
Yeah, do
Hey
you
guys,
want to?
if there's any more
I
chart
want.
requests now, otherwise I'm gonna go eat some food, call my Russian mafia, and then do our dirty work.
I want to, like, just, if you let me, like, analyzing with you a token that I'm trading this past
Okay.
day,
Yeah.
which is Phantom.
Oh yeah.
And
Let's take a look. Phantom.
that's been pretty. I think I got what is doing, what is going, and it's been very.
This one, FTM.
Yeah, FTM.
Are you short or long?
So for what I see now, as if you want to share my screen, as I
Yeah.
said, you always want to. It's obviously like a downtrend. You can see it now. The thing is, like,
Mm.
we might want to, of course, wait until this is being breached, because it seemed like it wants to go up and down and follow this triangle. So maybe
Mm.
like and that's what I did. So I cannot catch the breakout, but then I sold it.
Mhm.
And then I catch. But you remember I used to do that. I used to go, which is, even that one is very risky to do, because you never know when a trend is gonna stop. But with the Bollinger Bands,
Yeah.
if you sell it and you see like it's starting doing, the green one at several time frames, it's worth it to, like, if you really enter quite at the minimum, you set up like a very short stop loss, and then you try to catch the rebounds. And that's what I
Mhm.
did. And it's like I said, doing this, it went down, then it went up, then it's going down, maybe it's gonna go up again a little bit, but then, like, overall, like, as we can see from the daily, yeah, I would expect that it might go back down to 0.65 and a half. So yeah, that's my
You're short on it.
yeah, along, like, on the daily, yes, but like I said, if
Mhm.
now it's like it's just slippage, so you don't know, you don't want to trade so much. But
Yeah.
if it was like 3 hours ago, 3-4 years ago, 3-4 hours ago, I would have probably to go long now and wait until like maybe 0.82.
Yeah.
So because it seems it's going like following this pattern, this triangle, but then you might want to, and then reverse and keep it open, because that could be like your best really like choice to get to short on a good time frame at the higher price. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want anything else you want to talk about?
No, I mean, like, just go eat, don't worry. And thank you again for having me as usual.
Oh, let's no, we didn't finish the video. Let's let me share hold on 1 second. Guys, we gotta wake up to Money Miracle. So we gotta continue this. And then we'll end it in a few minutes.
I call upon Archangel Ariel and Archangel Raziel to be present with this healing. May they assist you with elevating your frequency so you can shift into the energies of abundance and attract a money miracle while you sleep. I would also recommend going to a quiet, safe place where there's no distractions so you can get the most out of today's energy healing. The best way for this to work is if you believe it with an open mind, an open heart, and to know that you are worthy of abundance, because it is your birthright.
All right, I think that's enough for today.
I have the same bracelet he has.
Yeah, Delosi AR now. We'll do it tomorrow. We'll do the AR analysis tomorrow because we've been going for 34 minutes.
Thank you again, Boris.
Yeah, thank you, Marcello. Yeah, follow Marcello. Where can people follow you? What Twitter or YouTube or whatever? Instagram?
Yeah,
I'll write it in the comments. What's your Instagram?
Chippy Pocket Zero.
I don't know how to spell it.
CIPI.
I'll put it in the private, and then I'll spell it out.
Okay.
CIPO 87.
No, I think it's just 0.
No.
I'm not sure, but if you look for my
CIP. Okay. You guys follow Marcello at
yeah, I can put it there.
IP PI
Yeah.
0
That's
on
on my
Instagram,
Instagram.
and then you guys know where to follow me. Trader Boris on Instagram, and then Satoshi Boris on Twitter. What? Let's read it wrong. Yeah, Conrigish. We'll look at Adam tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. All right, I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe Marshall will be back tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll try to be.
He's very busy. He is, Italian businessman. So I'm gonna end it here. Start the countdown, and then